All right, so just finished my massage. It was amazing. Actually fell asleep today. It relaxed me. And now I'm on my way walking to, well, I'm in Melville, but I'm going to walk to 27 boxes. So you can see that area. And also there's an area over there that looks just like, what's the name of it in Austin? 6th Street, I believe. It's a little party area where people drinking stuff on the weekends. And then it's like a comedy club over there on Tuesday nights. Just to show you more views of South Africa. And now we're still in the Gauteng province because they have provinces here. This is just a different, I guess you'd say a suburb of Johannesburg. And so Melville is actually a really nice area. If I would have kept walking a different way, you would have saw a college area called Auckland Park, where a lot of college students got a little mall there for them and stuff. Real cool area. So enjoy the scenery. And please remember, if you do come here to Johannesburg or any part of South Africa, be careful crossing the streets. Like I tell people, that is the most dangerous thing, especially if you're American, because like you think it's simple, like, oh, things are just reversed. You're gonna be looking the wrong way, so be careful. So one thing I do get a lot of questions about, do I like Johannesburg over Colombia? Short answer, yes. But there are things that Colombia have better than here. Now, if you know me, I like walking a lot. So for me, Colombia is a more walkable place than Johannesburg. Here is more of you take taxis and go back and forth. How's it going? And I hope one of the things you notice from my videos, I don't even try to hide that I'm American. I let it be known right up front. And this shows you the safety of the area. Shit. One of the side effects of going to get a massage for an hour, you be so relaxed you don't really walk as cautious as you should be. But my back feels amazing. Now, if you're in the U.S. and you're watching this and you're like, why is it all these high walls with all this extra security, like the electric fence and stuff? It's just the culture here. I don't know what the past was like, but I mean, based on the history, there was some tensions. And I think people are just afraid. I will be honest, like, it turns me off for getting a place like this. So this is why I prefer to just live in apartment towers. I just don't like the feeling of living in like a... So when I see these, it remind me of going as a kid, going and visit some of my uncles when they were in prison. So it just doesn't turn me on because it's like, to me, it's a negative a negative perception. There's a eucalyptus tree. And then another thing that I would say that I like better about Colombia than here, the people are more open to speaking. If you notice in the video, sometimes people will look, but they're more hesitant on speaking first. So sometimes you gotta really you have to make the first action or the first step, depending on where you're at. So like this weekend, Friday, you're gonna see the cannabis festival. I'm gonna show you that. Walk this way. Shit, that hurt. And so this is what I mean by it's not like a walk-friendly city. So even though there's a sidewalk over here to my right, there's a lot of overgrown trees. So the people just don't walk the streets here like that. And it's not saying that it's a bad thing to walk the streets here. Because if you see me doing it, people are not bothering me, nothing like that. And they're not even looking at me like I'm crazy or something. You just know what area you're walking in. And if you're looking for like a walk-friendly area for parks and stuff like that, then you may want to go more to a suburb. Or Pretoria. Pretoria, I think, is more walkable as far as walking around your areas. And don't know if I finished my thoughts. So this Friday, you're gonna see me and Paulie. We're gonna go to the cannabis festival here, or cannabis convention, and I'm gonna film there. And then Saturday, I might go to the playground, which is like an open market on the weekends, depending on how the weather is. And I'll show you that. And there you're gonna see a lot of people most likely just talking to me, and people more, they're not shy or reserved, because it's just a real good place to get to meet people, stuff like that. It's a pretty plant. How you doing? So this next street coming up, we're gonna make a left, and this is the area of Melville. This area is called 7th Street, I believe, or it might be 6th Street too. I can't remember for sure. I'll let you know. How's it going? And so one of the reasons I keep speaking to people and forcing them to acknowledge me is it disarms them. They stop thinking that it's something to be afraid of. It's just a paradigm that's here in the culture that I've noticed from over the years. And we have the same type of paradigms in the U.S., so it's not different. It's just that sometimes people got to start realizing, hey, there's new people here. There's people that's not from here. And then you see the real side of the people, because sometimes people are just afraid. And I even see this a lot when I'm in the U.S., where sometimes people are just afraid to speak because they're holding on to some stigma of what things used to be. So here we go here. So like you got a pharmacy, Ruby Soho, Hotel Hope Interiors. This is where I think they do a lot of antique furniture and things. You have different cafes and restaurants here. Now this place right here, Jolly Cool. This is the place where I believe on Tuesdays they have comedy night, I think. I think it's this place. Hey, how's it going, boss? Got a question for you. Is here on Tuesday nights where you have comedy?
Yeah.
On Tuesday nights, do you have comedy shows here?
Yes.
Oh, okay, perfect. All right, thank you. So you can see the sign, the Cannabis Expo. It's Friday to Sunday in Sands Convention Center. So we will be there filming. So you got all different types of places over here. How's it going, boss? Doing great, thanks. Hey, how's it going, boss? What we got? I'm gonna just get a water.
वो जाना तो किससे? তারপরে দেখে এটা আইছে নেক্সট আইছে নেক্সটে দিছি
Okay, let me tap. Got tap box?
Phone, tap.
Yeah. Hey, how's it going, boss? Appreciate it. How's it going? And also you got different food restaurants here. Indian cuisines are all over Joburg. From what I've heard, Durban is the largest, I believe it's the largest Indian settlement outside of India, if I remember correctly. And so I will be going there. I'm going to end up catching a bus and showing you all of that. Now these places be popping at night. So this is 6th Street. That's what it's called. There's different bars, stuff here, restaurants. We're going a little farther down. We're going to 27 Boxes. I'll probably pick up I need to pick up another body butter. And a friend of mine, she has a shop there. So I'll probably show you around that too. But it's right here, Lounge and Tapas, 6 Cocktail. People really be popping at night on Fridays and Saturday. How y'all doing?
Hello, good, how are you?
Doing great, thanks. There's the Tiny Tiki Bar. I think this is the Anti-Social Club. Excuse me.
Okay.
How you doing? Also, fashion is really big here in South Africa. A whole lot of different homemade, not homemade, but home brand fashion places. Hey, what's up, boss? Angel Shack, Incense, Chakra Can. Let me see what's over here. This is up my alley. This is one of the reasons why I like walking around, because you never know what you're going to find. Okay, so they have incense, chakra candles. Okay, nice. Got the stones. Okay, they got Palo Santo. And let me pick up some stuff. Hello. Oh, don't be comfortable. I'm doing great. How you doing today? I know I want to get some Palo Santo incense.
Okay, this incense just behind you.
Oh, perfect.
Do you have the Palo Santo sticks?
Oh, yeah, the sticks?
Yeah, it was wrong.
Oh, okay. I will take the sticks. Oh. Okay. Palo Santo stick, and they have sage smudge. I have the candle holder, so I don't need a thingy-majig. Okay, so they have a lot of stuff. So one of the reasons why I pick up Palo Santo and smudge sticks is just to keep the energy clean in the house. Sometimes I go through depression and stuff. You gotta keep your energy up. Okay, I'm glad I found this place. And let me cut the camera off. Is it off?